In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block AutoCAD update. If you want AutoCAD to stop interrupting your workflow with update prompts, the most reliable way is to turn off its built-in checks and notifications from within the application. We will do this entirely using AutoCAD's own settings so you keep full control while still being able to update manually when you choose. Start by opening AutoCAD and looking toward the bottom of the window for the command line. That's the small input area AutoCAD uses for most commands. Click into it, type options in all caps or lowercase. It doesn't matter, and press enter. This opens the options dialog, which is where AutoCAD stores most of its global preferences. In the options dialog, switch to the System tab. The System tab groups together performance, notification, and update behaviors. So it's the right place to make these changes. Take a moment to glance through the sections. Understanding where these settings live will make it easier to revisit them later if you ever want to re-enable anything. Next, locate the setting labeled Automatic Check for Certification Update. This is the feature that periodically checks and then nudges you about certification-related updates. To prevent those checks from running on their own, simply uncheck that box. With that single change, AutoCAD stops initiating those background checks, which in turn reduces the number of prompts you see while you are drawing or plotting. While you are still on the System tab, look for balloon notifications. Balloon notifications are the pop-up messages that appear near the system tray or the corner of the AutoCAD window. Click into balloon notifications and turn off notifications related to updates. Disabling these ensures that even if something triggers an update message, you won't get a distracting pop-up while you are focused on your work. That's all you need to do inside AutoCAD to block its automatic update checks and silence update notifications. These adjustments are designed to be unobtrusive. They don't remove your ability to install updates. They simply stop AutoCAD from checking and prompting you on its own. If you ever need to update, you can do so on your terms by visiting Autodesk's official channels or using your organization's deployment tools. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.